Is your Samsung phone's microphone failing you, leaving calls silent and voice notes unheard? Let's dive into fixing that troublesome microphone. First, we need to check app permissions. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel, then tap the gear icon to access settings. Scroll down and find apps once in the apps menu. Tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner and select Permission Manager. Look for microphone and tap it now. You'll see a list of apps that have requested microphone access. Make sure the apps you want to use the microphone with, like your phone app or voice recorder, have permission granted. If an app that needs the microphone is set to Don't Allow, tap it and change it to Allow. Next, clearing the cache can often resolve temporary glitches. Go back to Settings, then Apps. This time, find the app you suspect might be causing the microphone issue, or if you're unsure, try clearing the cache for system apps like phone or voice recorder. Tap on the app, then select Storage. Here, you'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Start by tapping Clear Cache. This won't erase any important app data, just temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Now, let's test it out. Open a different app than the one where you first noticed the problem. Try using your voice recorder app or making a quick call if you can record your voice and play it back clearly, or if the call audio is working. The issue might be specific to that one app. If you're still experiencing silence, it's time to consider more general solutions. Sometimes, physical obstruction is the culprit. Gently clean the microphone ports on your phone, usually located at the bottom and sometimes near the camera, using a soft, dry brush or a can of compressed air. Be careful not to push anything into the ports. A simple restart can also work wonders. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, then tap Restart. Let your phone boot back up and try the microphone again. If none of these software solutions work, it's possible there's a hardware issue with the microphone itself. In this case, you might need to contact Samsung support or visit a qualified repair technician to have your phone inspected and potentially repaired.